What's up, family? And welcome back to the channel. On today, your girl is going to be doing a product review with the one and only Soultanicals Loc-N-Roll Twist Fro Out Penetrating Hair Butter. So your girl gonna be doing a twist out. It's been a while, but I have to remind y'all how the twist out gets down. So if y'all want to see how I go from this freshly washed and conditioned hair to this beautiful and super defined twist out, then just keep on watching because we about to get right into it right now. Alright?
Hey,
Okay guys, so we're starting off on freshly washed hair, and I'm super excited to try this Loc-N-Roll Twist Fro Out butter. Now let me just tell y'all, I did leave it outside for like 2 days and it is cold where I'm at, so this stuff was like super hard. So I do not believe it comes that way, but I left it out in the mailbox for 2 days. Your girl was sick, so I was not going to the mailbox to get anything. So I am going to mist my hair because my hair is kind of on the drier side. So I'm going to add moisture by adding the water. Then I'm going to seal that in with the oil, the Aunt Jackie's oil. This hair oil includes collagen, tea tree oil, and eucalyptus to help support hair growth, nourish, and thicken hair strands while reducing shedding. Y'all forgive my voice, but I'm kind of just waking up doing the second part of the voiceover. But just keep in mind to make sure you're applying enough oil to your sections so that they stay properly moisturized throughout the hairstyle. After you get done moisturizing your hair, you want to take your brush and just go through that section and make sure that it is, moisturized enough. If not, please add some more water because you do not want to brush on dry hair because you will what? Break off hair or cause more damage. Well, cause damage, not more damage, but you will cause damage to your hair, and that we want to avoid. Next, you want to start the 2-strand twist. So you just want to take 2 sections of evenly parted hair and you just want to 2-strand twist those all the way down. And then when you get to like 1 inch below the end, you want to coil that so that you have a nice curl at the end. So here I'm going to perform the same steps, but I'm just going to slow it down just so you can see what I'm doing in real time. So now you want to take your 2 strands of hair and you want to clockwise twist your hair, and you want to make sure that you are twisting it with some force, but not to where it's going to cause breakage for your hair. But you want to make sure that you are twisting tight enough so that you have a nice juicy twist. And then just take you a little bit more gel and then just coil the ends of your twist. If you're using gel. If you're not using gel, then you can just use your styling cream and then coil the ends of your hair. Alright, so let me explain this one more time. So I'm going to mist my section, make sure that it is nicely moisturized. Then I'm going to take my oil and just seal in that moisture to make sure that it is not going to evaporate from my hair. And then next we're going to take our twist out butter, and this stuff is thick. So I had to rub it really well to like smear it through my hand so that I could properly and evenly distribute among this section. So I just brush it to make sure that everything is properly detangled and that everything has the section. And then I'm just going to make the twist smaller so that my hair can be really defined after I untwist my hair or unravel my hair. So once you get down to the bottom, you just want to coil, and keep in mind you want to make sure that you do your best to have equal parts of hair on each side, because if not, you will end up running out of hair and then you'll have to borrow some from another section, and that could technically disturb your twist out results. So now I'm just going to speed up the video just a little bit for the sake of time, and I'm going to let you guys enjoy me putting together these next couple twists, and then we're going to move on to the next step. And just a quick question, do you guys like this view where I give you two different views to see what I'm doing? I thought it was interesting, and that's why I've been adding it, but let me know down in the comments if you do like that type of view. Also, when you get done twisting your hair, make sure you get off any excess product that basically makes your hair white, because your hair is not going to absorb all of that. So you want to make sure that you remove it so you don't have dandruff. Okay, so now I'm going to sit under the dryer because that's very important, and I'll be back. So it has been 24 hours, and honestly, it's been over 24 hours, but I did stretch my hair. So in case you're wondering why you don't see any twist, I bobby pinned all my hair up because I wanted to stretch my twist. And now I'm just adding some of my Camilla Rose oil to my scalp so that my scalp is nice and moisturized, and I'm just going to massage that in really well before I take my twist down. So I'm just going to speed this section up because we all know how to take our hair down, so pretty much self-explanatory. Next, I'm taking some more Camilla Rose, and I'm just adding that to my fingertips so that when I take my hair down, I am not causing any extra frizz. So let's get started. Okay, so this is how I take my twist down. I take my twist, and then I turn it the opposite direction of how I twisted it, and then I neatly and easily take apart the hair like so. And then I just unravel one by one all the way till I get to the top so that my twists don't like curl up and ball up. I hate that. So I just unravel it one string at a time, going all the way up. And that's how I get the perfect twist out. And the definition is fire. I am loving this twisting butter. It definitely came through. My hair is definitely moisturized, and it's still moisturized. So definitely recommend this product for sure. So now I'm just going to speed up the video for the sake of time, and I'll be back in just a second. Next, I'm going to start to separate my twist and just create more volume. Also, when you separate your twist, I would say you only want to separate it about 2 or 3 times. Otherwise, you're going to start to see more frizz because you are basically taking away the definition from the twist. Okay, so now I'm taking my wooden comb, which is the best comb to use whenever you are applying it to your hair. And just so you know, guys, I will be having combs for sale here pretty soon, so stay tuned for that. Now I'm adding a bobby pin to the front just to make sure that my hair is laying down. My bang part, that is. I felt like it was up too far. But here is the final look, y'all. I'm really loving this twist out. It came out super moisturized with this product. My hair is not dry at all. Super moisturized, super defined. It has so much body. It moves and flows really well. So definitely recommend this product for sure. And let me know down below in the comments what you guys liked, or if you have a recommendation, please let me know. And if you did enjoy this content, be sure to smash that thumbs up button, guys. join the family. Make sure you subscribe to the family. Let's keep joining. Let's keep building this community. We want to get this community as big as possible. And if you guys are struggling with natural hair, or if you're just transitioning, or if you did a big job, your girl created the Texture Hair 101 ebook for you guys to be super informed and educated on how to build your natural hair regimen. So if you are struggling with breakage, dryness, split ends, not having a proper hair regimen, you definitely want to cop this Texture Hair 101 ebook so that you can be successful on your natural hair journey. Okay, so that is all I have for you guys today. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you for commenting on my videos. Thank you for liking the videos. Thank you for all the engagement. I'm super grateful. And let's keep building, y'all. And until next time, I'm gonna see y'all back on the next video. Bye.